Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. This is an update on the videos. I'm having issues with my internet because it will not upload, download, whatever y'all call it. I call it uploading. I think my son said it's actually downloading onto the internet. The Friday video that I did took exactly 7 days. I edited on Friday and I have tried to put it up since Friday. Last Friday, today after Valentine's Day. It was the week before Valentine's Day. I just got it up to put out yesterday. The 9-minute video took 4 days to upload, download, whatever you say. The third video that I did, I can't even get it up yet. It's been going on 3 days. So we will see when that one gets up. So I do not know when these videos are going to be posted. I'm doing videos every week. Getting them up every week is a totally different story. So I just wanted to come on here, apologize. I can't get any faster internet. I literally got the fiber optics, but I feel like this internet is sort of like when they overbook an airplane. So you have seats for 60 people, but you go and you book it for 70, and then all 70 show up and you got to get 10 people to give up their seats. That's what I feel is what's going on with the fiber optics. They thought they made it large enough and fast enough, and they got enough, I guess, fiber optics in the wiring, but there's too many people on the internet, therefore it slows down and won't do anything. I mean, there's time when it does nothing but buffer, 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 and nothing happens. Sometimes I can't even get connected. So it has nothing to do with me buying a good internet, because I'm not cheaply buying the internet. I've got decent internet. It's just that there's way too many people on it. Whenever it gets up, it gets up. I try to put it up immediately. As soon as I get done, I do all my editing and I try to load it. Okay? So bear with me. Hopefully it will only get better, not worse. I know they say it'll get worse before it gets better, but we'll see. Thank you everybody for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And I've made a few already this weekend, so let's see how long it takes to get them up. Okay? All right. Thanks everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. Take care. Bye-bye.